Hey everyone, welcome back to Log Cabin Homesteading. Today we're going to be finishing up the drainage on our garage and trying to get the concrete laid out and get our drain section put into the new concrete, and it should be a fun adventure, so stay tuned and we'll be right back. Alright, so we've got our bags of concrete down here. We've got our water, and we have our mixing tub. What we've done here is we have got our form laid out. All the way down, and I've got it staked out, and we are going to start mixing here, and we're going to get our concrete poured. Right now we're just going to use a shovel. A little bit more.
I knew I would need a little bit more. Whoa, Dad.
Alright. The kitty litter, huh?
Yeah. That's what it looks like, right?
Start taking this shovelful at a time.
That's not really good. Unwrap it.
Jaden? Ready for this? Here's what we're gonna do. Come here. Hey everyone, sorry, my camera died halfway through me making this concrete drain. I finished it up. I got everything looking all right, and I'm just going to show you what I got finished. It's been a couple of days since I got it finished, and right now it's kind of drizzling out. Expecting to get a large rain tomorrow, so we'll really put this thing to the test and see how it does. It's nothing spectacular, but it will hopefully serve its purpose. So if we look down here, we can see that I have this concrete drain all the way down. Now I do need to get a piece of corrugated pipe and put it on the end there and run it right out towards the woods. A guy's at work is gonna give me some grate to put over this. So what I ended up doing is I ended up putting the concrete down, putting down a 3-inch diameter PVC pipe, and then filling in on the sides so that I can get that half round in there. Seems to have worked well. It's rained a little bit since I've done it, and there hasn't been any more water in the garage. Hopefully if this works, the next step is to get the garage completely cleaned out, all the dirt. I took a few bucket loads of dirt out of there already. It was terrible. So we'll get that worked, and then we will move on to actually fixing up parts of the garage that need to be redone. One of the things that I'm going to need to do here is replace the sill plate on the bottom where the stud's attached to, and I'll show you why right here. If you look there, you can see that it is deteriorated, and it's this way down here also. You'll notice, especially right there, it's really bad. So I really need to get that taken care of. Replace this, at least the bottom section here, this outside plywood. And in order to do that, I'm going to actually have to lift up the roof of the garage. So I've got to get a jack to do that. I've got to get some 4x4s, and I really need to brace that thing so it doesn't fall on my head. With any luck, I can get that done here in the next week, and then from there I can move on to actually building my forge and making this into a proper workshop. So that's the end goal. Other than that, for right now, it's raining outside, so I'm gonna go back inside. Hopefully you guys can join me for the next couple of episodes where I'm getting this all taken care of, and just show you how I'm fixing this up into an actual workshop. Thanks for watching. If you liked this, if you like this type of stuff, let me know. If you don't like this type of stuff, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and share these videos. If you know anybody you think might be interested, go ahead and share these videos. Always looking for people who have similar interests and ideas to share. So go ahead and leave some comments. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.